Hello student, welcome to Chem India Academy. As I promised, we are going to start series of 100 name reaction. Okay, now here is the first name reaction, that is pinacol rearrangement reaction. Now what is mean by pinacol and how it is formed? All these things will be discussed in the next slide. Okay, what is mean by pinacol? Pinacol is nothing but the 1,2-dihydroxy compound. Okay, this is 1,2-dihydroxy compound. This 1 and 2. This type of compound is called as pinacol. If we treat this pinacol in presence of acid as a catalyst, then we get rearranged product. This is called as pinacolone. This keto product is called as pinacol. Now, how this pinacol is formed? Generally, we have to take carbonyl compound. Suppose we take RCOR. If we take two molecules of this ketone and if we treat this with Mg in diethyl ether and then we treat with this H2O, then we get this pinacol as a product. Okay, and followed by if we treat this pinacol with any acid or any Lewis acid, then we get this rearranged product called as pinacolone. Okay, now we are going to discuss the detailed mechanism of this pinacol rearrangement, pinacolone rearrangement reaction mechanism. Now this pinacolone rearrangement reaction is take place through 4 steps. In first step, there is a protonation of one of the hydroxy group. Then in second step, formation of carbocation take place. Okay, and third place there is a 1-2 shift. Okay, there is a 1-2 shift of alkyl group or any bond shift take place. Depending upon the substrate, there is a either hydride shift, alkyl shift, or any bond migration will be take place. And in last step, through deprotonation uh, we get our pinacol as a final product. Now let's see how this reaction mechanism will take place. Now in first step we have this pinacolone. Okay, we have this pinacol OH. Okay, now all of these are the CH3 groups. Now if we treat this pinacol with H plus, then what happen? In first step there is a protonation of this pinacol take place and we get this product. Now this now in next step this water molecule will be removed and there is a formation of carbocation. Okay, so we get this following carbocation as a intermediate. Okay, now if now what happened, here is a migration of this alkyl group will take place. This methyl will be migrated towards this carbocation, that is 1-2 methyl shift will be take place. Okay, and we get this following reaction intermediate. Okay, now in final step what happen, this deprotonation of this hydrogen will be take place and we get our keto product. Okay, and this product is called as pinacolone rearrangement. Okay, and this product is called as pinacolone, and this is the mechanism of pinacolone rearrangement, ring expansion and ring contradiction concept. Okay, now what happen if we have this ring expansion and ring contradiction depends upon the formation of carbocation. Okay, which type of carbocation will be given in ring expansion and ring contraction we will see as below. Okay, now suppose we have system like this, one of the ring and next carbon we have this carbocation, then this type of system will give ring expansion. This bond will be migrated to this carbocation and we will get this 5-membered carbocation. Okay, and if we have one of the ring and carbocation is directly attached to this ring, then in this case what happen, there is a shift of this bond inside ring and we get this ring contradicted product, that is this 5-membered product. Okay, and we get this carbocation as a intermediate. So in first case, if carbocation is formed outside ring, then in that case ring ring expansion will be take place, and if carbocation is formed on the ring, then in that case ring contradiction will be take place. Okay, now we are going to discuss the following examples from which you will see from that examples you will get your all concept will be cleared. Okay, now here is the first example. Okay, now we are going to solve some previous year problems so that your concept will be clear. Okay, now the first example is this. This is a pinnacle. This pinnacle is formed from this keto. Okay, 4-membered keto. If we treat this with Mg ether and followed by we give water, then we get this pinnacle. And if we treat this pinnacle with any acid, then we get this carbocation as a intermediate. Okay, suppose we get this carbocation. Okay, now after that what happens, this lone pair of electron will be donated to this center and this bond will be migrated and ring expansion will be take place, so that this 4-membered ring will become 5-membered ring and we get this ring expansion. So we get this ring expansion will be take place and we get this following product. Okay, now we are going to see next example. Next example is and if we treat this pinnacle with this H plus, then which OH will be protonated? Here the protonation of this hydroxy group will be take place, because after protonation, after water removal, here carbocation will be formed and this carbocation will be highly stable, so that this hydroxy group containing 2 phenyl group will be protonated and formation of carbocation will be take place. Okay, so we get this carbocation. Now what happened in next step, there is a alkyl shift. Okay, alkyl or aryl shift. Now which group will be migrated, this phenyl group or this methyl group? So more electron rich group will be migrated. So phenyl will be more electron rich than CH3. So phenyl migration will be take place. Okay. So this phenyl will be migrated to this 1,2 position and we will get this following intermediate. Okay. And in last step, this electron will be donated to this carbocation and we will get this corresponding phenolone. Okay, which having this structure. In this way, you can get pinnacle. Okay, now we are going to discuss the next example of this pinnacle rearrangement. Suppose we have this following substrate. This substrate containing bromine and hydroxy group. Okay, and if we take this compound with AgNO3, then what happen? In this case, this Br removal will be take place, and we will get this corresponding carbocation. Okay. Now, in next step, this intermediate compound. This is intermediate of pinnacle-pinnacle rearrangement reaction. So, in this case, this uh, phenyl shift will be take place because here phenyl shift will be take place because phenyl is more electron rich than methyl group. So, phenyl migration will be take place. If this phenyl migration take place, then this will give another reaction intermediate as following. Okay, as follows. This is the rearranged reaction intermediate. Now, in last stage, this deprotonation of this OH happen, and we get our pinnacle product. Okay. Now we are going to see the example of ring expansion reaction. So here is the 2-methyl group and 2-hydroxy group. If we treat with this H plus ion, then we get this protonated product, and here is the OH. After that, this removal of water molecule will take place and we get this carbocation. Okay. Now, after that, what happened? This system is suitable for ring contradiction. So, this bond migration will be take place. So, we get this product. Okay. Now, after that, this lone pair will be donated to this carbocation so that we get our final pinnacle product. This is our final ring contradicted product. In this way, you can solve any example of pinnacle rearrangement reaction.